Today we are boarding Carnival's newest ship, the Carnival Firenze, out of Long Beach, California. I am so excited that Long Beach finally got a new ship because I feel like it's been so long since we've got a new ship. Now, although this is Carnival's newest ship, this was done being built in 2021. Originally was supposed to set sail in 2020, but due to the pandemic, it did get pushed back. And also because the pandemic, it changed the whole planning of this ship because originally it was supposed to set sail out of Asia, but they changed that underneath the Carnival umbrella, labeling this Carnival Fun Italian style, as to where this ship right here, the Firenze, is themed after Florence. The Venezia is also a ship that's built just like it that is themed after Venice. At first, I thought that was going to be a little bit tacky, but it's actually so beautiful inside. It makes you feel like you are on Caesar's Palace of the Seas. Now, taking a look at this ship, you will notice that there is 14 decks, but if you're actually on the ship, it's saying that there is 15 because they do skip floor number 13 for superstition. Now, the ship does look a little bit small here, but it does hold 4,126 guests, as well as 1,425 crew members, and it does offer 2,136 guest cabins. Also, there is so much fun for kids. There's water slides, there's pools, there's jacuzzis. Of course, there is so many different eateries as well as bars for the adults. As soon as you step inside into the main piazza, you will notice that Italian flair right there. It is making you feel like you are in Las Vegas at one of the Caesar's Palace shops. There is also an Italian-themed Guy's Burger, which was so delicious. They have different types of burgers for the Italian ship. And this is the main dining hall right here, completely decked out like Florence. What's up, y'all? We are about to board the brand new Carnival Costa Firenze. And this is it actually right behind us. You guys can't really see because we are doing the little self-park thing, and this is the big ball. We're in Long Beach, California, which actually is this is our first video out of Long Beach. Oh no, we did out of LA. We did the Royal Caribbean.
Oh yeah, so true. I felt like that was forever ago. But anyways, we're gonna see how this thing goes.
It's packed. It's
came
really,
all the
really
way
packed.
From where did it come? Like
it came from
Europe, didn't it?
somewhere in Europe. Yeah, this actually was supposed to be a part of the coastal line. It was supposed to go to China, but then the pandemic affected that. So we
lucked out some.
Yes, we're gonna see how the boarding process is, and let's see how long it takes, and we'll show you guys around.
Go give me some Shaq's chicken.
Upon arriving to the Long Beach Cruise Terminal, there was so much traffic because apparently there was a medical emergency on the board, as well as people were disembarking while we were embarking, so it was a big mess and a holdup. But if you guys have not been to the Long Beach Cruise Terminal, it's actually pretty nice, and they do have several photo op areas if you guys do want to take those pictures from the Carnival Cruise team. Do that right there. And then I do got to give you guys a little bit of a heads up. There is a lot of ramp walking. I actually like it though because it makes me feel better about eating so much, and we are getting ready to get on the ship. This is the gangway right here, and then you guys are going to see the piazza, which is fully Italian themed. Yo, so we just did our muster station. We're in the casino right now because that's where it was, and this is really cool. It's decorated.
Do you have a non-smoking section?
Yeah, it's decorated like it's I was gonna say France, Italy. Oh my gosh, look, another casino here too.
Dude, okay.
We'll give you guys a full tour. Whoa. This is huge.
This entire freaking floor is a damn casino.
So this is the ocean suite right here, and I have to say this is really nice. Look at this big old couch with, I think, Florence right behind it, a king-size bed right here with a beautiful headboard, and then you get a jumbo balcony on this one with 2 chairs and beautiful views. And as you come in from the balcony, you have a little vanity right here where you have your drinks, and my parents got hooked up because they're high status. They got some free alcohol. But what's really cool about this room is they have a little walk-in closet, as you guys can see. That is so cool, with extra space. This is the ocean suite right here. Look at the restrooms. You have a his and hers, hers and hers, his and his. Sinks going on over here, and then you have plenty of space for the toilet. And then check this out. You have a bathtub. So you can shower in here or take a bath, and there is jets, as you guys can see from right there. This is a really, really nice room. After checking out the room, we headed over to Tomodoro, which is actually their version of Blue Iguana on the ship. Some days they do serve an Italian fusion, most days it is Mexican, and it was just as delicious as usual. If you guys watch our Carnival vlogs, y'all know we go to Blue Java for the Kicked Up Island. This shit is bomb. And y'all, I feel like they put more alcohol in this one. Basically what this is like a boozy shake. They just put alcohol, rum, I think, and tropical stuff. It's bomb. Tell them what you got, Nate, that you paid $1.50 for.
I thought it was free.
It's
So
an upcharge.
No, yeah, I got moded because I thought I was reading that you have to pay for certain empanadas, but we'll show you guys that a different day. But
I'm gonna get a dessert one.
they sounded really good. I ended up just getting a basic old shrimp empanada, and
How is it?
alright. I don't know. It tastes like fried mac and cheese bites. So
Oh,
it's weird.
shrimp tastes like mac and cheese. Okay.
I don't know. That's just the way it tastes. That's the best way I can describe it, honestly.
After that, we watched the Sail Away from Long Beach, and we did watch it while being in the Moda Lounge, which is their private section on board where you do need wristbands, but they never checked for any wristbands the whole time we went there. Y'all, so we're at the main dining hall right now called Michelangelo, which is beautiful. It's really, really nice. I started my night off with a drink right here. This is the Carnival Cosmo that has Aperol as well as limoncello and cranberry juice, I think. Let's give it a try. Okay, that's I haven't had one single alcoholic drink today, so that was very strong. Let me give it another shot.
Looks very delicious.
That's a strong one right there. Pretty good.
Really.
Nate is also 21 now. Wait, this is his first cruise while being 21. I mean, you could still drink on the open seas on some cruise lines.
Not Carnival, unfortunately. But
Yeah.
I got me a little Bahama Mama. I've been having beer all day, so I'm feeling a little bloated. Get a little.
So get some sugar to help with that.
We're gonna sleep good tonight, just to wake up and go to the gym and have another beer.
Come on, diabetes. Next up on the list, we have the bread. Y'all, if you guys have been on a Carnival cruise, y'all know this looks like trash, but it's delicious. It's really, really good. And I wanted to get more than one, but I'm only getting one. Y'all, there's a magician at our table right now. I don't know if you guys heard that. A freaking magician. Anyways, next up on the list, I got a Caesar salad with ranch. If you know, you know. J-Lo voice. This is bomb. I don't like Caesar dressing. I'm so sorry. But with ranch, it's really good, especially on Carnival. The ranch is a little bit different. It's you know, very watery, but the flavor is pretty good.
I can't even pronounce the name of this damn thing. It's Papadelli something.
He got
something.
pappardelle
But-
with braised lamb.
Yeah, the main reason
Where's
I
the
got
lamb though? Just wondering.
That's what I was gonna say actually.
Show them. I didn't take a B-roll of it. You have to show them.
You
Yeah.
have to-
Normally I do a B-roll, but he
Literally-
started digging into it too fast.
I'm really hungry, but literally the lamb is like this, and then one other piece. So low-key a little salty about that because I got this mainly for the lamb.
Carnival's on a budget.
Yeah, apparently this one is, but I mean it's just basically, you know, some pasta with your red sauce, and then you got some lamb on the side. So give it a little shot.
Big old thick noodles, similar to tagliatelle.
It tastes like meat sauce, just straight up meat sauce.
It looks like
There's
straight
nothing-
up meat sauce.
I mean, there's nothing really special about it. Let's try the lamb. The lamb feels and looks like it's beef jerky. So.
I was gonna say it literally looks like beef jerky.
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
beef jerky.
Oh my god.
Literally zero flavor. Just, yeah, no.
For my main entree, I got the barbecue salmon from Emerald's, which low-key, y'all, if you guys have been on Carnival before, they normally charge for Emerald's, but this was included. But there is pork hash at the bottom, which I don't eat, so I'm avoiding eating the pork. Nate's gonna eat that, but let's try the salmon.
Hopefully I don't get a bite of pork by accident now. That'd be a real shame.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie, it's not good.
It looks
not good.
delicious.
It looks really good. The salmon is low-key kind of undercooked. And to be quite honest, the barbecue sauce tastes like ketchup. It tastes like ketchup. You guys know we went on the celebration and Mardi Gras. I love the salmon from Guy Fieri's Pig and Anchor. That's super good. This is very, I don't know, plain and undercooked.
And then for me, on the other hand, I went with my, meat option. We got ourselves a little bit of a braised short rib, as it is called, in a type of au jus type sauce on a bed of mashed potatoes. So it looks saucy, looks good. Let's find out how it tastes. Must got COVID because it tastes pretty bland. I'm realizing right now the trend here is the food looks way better than it tastes right now, which kind of saddening. But
Yeah, because it looks really good.
it looks really good. It's really like, it's not dry. It's just very bland. Like there's no pepper, there's no salt, there's no nothing really. But I'm still going to eat it because a bitch hungry. So
Next up, we're going to be trying the Szechuan shrimp, which I hope is good because the salmon was honestly shitty. Honestly, I took 2 bites and I was like, I'm over it. So let's see how this is. This is better. This is edible.
edible.
I was, yeah, because honestly, I felt like the other one wasn't. But yeah, this is edible. This is good. It kind of reminds me of chibang from Mardi Gras or from Celebration. The shrimp has good flavor. The noodles are really dry.
We're going to snag a piece in here.
Dry as in like no sauce on them. It's pretty good. I do have to say though, the salmon, if I'm rating it on a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 5. It was just flatline.
It tastes like
7.
It tastes like microwavable popcorn chicken.
Popcorn shrimp.
Yes, not a chicken.
It's edible. This is what I'm gonna be eating. The salmon. I sent
Yeah,
it
I do
back.
what you gotta
I'm
do,
like,
honestly.
yeah. I'm sorry, but that was not good. And for dessert, I got this orange sugar-free cake. I'm trying to be a little bit healthy just for the first couple days. After that, I'm letting it all go to waste. It is kind of cute. Let's see what it smells like. It smells sugar-free. Come on, Splenda. Give us nothing.
It's the COVID.
Oh.
Oh, it's actually really good.
Wait. This is actually Bob. This is the best thing that I've had tonight. This is really good. We just left the main dining hall tonight on the first night. I do have to say, so far I'm not that impressed with the food.
Sounds better and looks better than it tastes.
It was
It
whack.
was pretty bland. Say because I got COVID or some crap like that. I don't know.
He got the norovirus.
I did. I mean, we talked about that on our podcast. If y'all caught that, so
Yes.
it's very well, and especially because both ships came to Los Angeles. Not saying I got anything, but
We've been on this boat for 8 hours, okay? If we contracted it that fast,
then
I
that
don't
shit
know.
crazy.
Yeah, but so far though, the food, ooh.
I like my burrito I had though.
Oh yeah, but that's like Blue Iguana. It's the same thing as Blue Iguana. So
Doesn't matter. Still bomb.
we're gonna see a little bit more of the ship and go to the casino right now.
I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest.
Just look for the kitty cat. We're walking back to the room after dinner. I'm out of breath. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of a room tour of our little shitty interior room.
You know what? It's nicer than all the other
It
interiors.
is pretty nice though. It is pretty nice. We'll show you guys right now and then we'll show you guys the balcony tomorrow.
TikTok,
Y'all, we are in our room. This is the standard interior room.
Welcome to my house crib. You know,
It's Florence.
we
It smells like Dookie in here because of Nate. Jesus. Could have
Amen.
stayed in the damn bathroom for a bit.
too much beer was running through my sexy dad bod right now.
Oh my god, that ain't a
But-
dad bod. That's a grandpa bod.
People like that too. Anyways, though, you walk right on in, and there ain't much.
This is it.
Yeah, it's very self-explanatory.
No, dude, we have
You got-
two twin beds right here.
Yeah, you got
Bam.
his and her twin bed, right? Call it whatever you want. We got our TV over here on the right.
TV. I literally
And
am
then-
holding a big old bright light because there's
Yeah,
no
it's
light in here
terrible in here.
whatsoever.
You open this up, you got your mini fridge.
It's not even really a fridge though. Do keep that in mind.
Yeah, it's like a chiller, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. Like it keeps
ain't-
things cool.
Yeah, so if you want something cold, go get ice cold, whatever. drink,
Show them
put it
the
in there.
restroom.
Oh, we're going from here to the restroom. We're going right on in to our lovely stand-up shower.
Yes.
Our lovely toilet next door.
And it's a glass, well, not glass, but like plastic. You don't have to deal with that annoying curtain that
It's
leaks.
so much better.
This
than
is the
damn curtain,
restroom.
tell you that much.
And then show them our tiny little closet space.
You got one side to hang up stuff, and then the other side, well, you can't.
You could fold stuff.
You know,
yeah, I'll show you guys later.
And
And
you got a
then
couple drawers.
right here you got the vanity, which is a little baby vanity.
Yeah, this obviously is lackluster compared to our parents' room, but it's okay because
Hey, this is a still
we
like,
got the cruise for free. Number one, number two, best interior room we've ever had.
it's nice. I like it.
I
It's cute.
think low key a little bit more space than the Virgin interior cruise, or
Just the
Virgin.
layout, I feel like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Our bed, the beds on that one was stupid, by the way.
Yeah, I hated the setup on that.
Yeah.
So that is it for day one. We may or may not do our first ever ship tour. Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys.
We've
You gotta
had
wake up really.
somewhat of a ship tour.
We kind of like showed it around. I want to do like a full, authentic, dedicated ship tour. But the thing is, you have to wake up at the butt crack of dawn, and I don't know if I'm gonna do that. You guys will see it, of course, if we do end up doing it. So far, to give you our first initial thoughts, I do have to say the food so far is a little bit lackluster, only because we did only go to the main dining. Right? The main dining, and then
dining, and then
the blue. I keep on wanting to call it blue iguana, but here on the ship it's called
forgot
pomodoro. It was
it was
great.
good.
It's
like
yes,
all the other ships.
like blue iguana. It's literally the same food.
Java Blue Cafe, can't go wrong with the bougie shake. I mean, that's obviously off camera, but you know.
No, I recorded.
Oh
it.
yeah, that's right. Never mind.
I
He was
sure
in the lounge
did.
chair. Forgot about that.
If you guys will watch our carnival videos, y'all, the
We love
Picked
Java
Up
Blue.
Island Delight. Bomb.com, highly recommend it. So also too, I hate to complain, but obviously we do have to keep it real with you guys. This was supposed to be the inaugural cruise. They did end up changing it, so we are not on the
BS.
inaugural cruise. But I do am like I'm mentioning that too because the staff so far has been a little bit behind. This actually was our slowest service at
Everywhere that
at
we've
any
been
cruise
at.
that we've been on. Y'all, we were at the main restaurant for I want to say 2 hours. Like it took so long. And if you guys have been on cruises before, it's never
Normally
like
they're
that.
quick.
Very
Everything
quick.
just keeps on going.
Yes, and this
The
was
bar staff too. Doesn't matter what bar you go
Oh,
to.
the bar staff is
Bars
really,
are
really
super
behind. We went to the Heroes Bar and there was only one member working, and I was like, "Whoa!" So do keep that in mind. I don't know if it's just the ship or maybe
It is
because
really
it
the
is
second
new.
selling, so.
Exactly. So that's why I was mentioning, like, oh. Also, too, another thing to mention that we haven't even said in the beginning of this video is that this was supposed to be an inaugural cruise, and Carnival changed it without us even knowing. We booked this literally 9 months ago because we were so excited to go on our first ever inaugural cruise,
We
and
thought
they
we were
changed it.
special.
Yeah, they changed it like a
Not
month
anymore.
before. So far
Whatever.
though, when we're speaking about the ship looks really nice.
And
It's
it
really
feels
nice.
brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it looks a little
It looks old.
outdated, but like,
It's
that's
meant
the
to
theme.
be.
Yeah,
Like
that's really
Caesar's
cool, though.
Palace.
Yeah, no, really cool. I mean, if I'm going to go out on a cruise in Long Beach on Carnival, doing this ship 100%. Compared to
Yeah.
any other ship they got there. So.
Yeah, so far the ship is really, really nice. If you guys will see a full ship tour if we do decide to do that, but keep your eyes open for that.
I'll make sure he'll get up one day.
Yeah, he's young though. I'm old.
I'll wake up to go to the gym, so whatever.
Anyways, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Also, we started doing a travel podcast, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. We're going to be uploading every Friday, so...
I promise you that's probably a lot better than these.
No? What? These are good vlogs.
For me, I don't really talk much in these, so
Yeah.
I'm kind of just a
He's
shy guy.
he's a little shy, and I'm just like, let me just talk, whatever.
I get the ramble.
Exactly. We will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. We'd appreciate it. Peace out, Girl Scout.